Hi, I'm John with TechNexion, and here at Embedded World 2025, and let me show you a little bit about what we're showing here today in our booth. So this is our booth. We're heavily featuring all of our camera products that we have available for sale today. What is special about our camera products? Well, let me tell you. We have an entire family of camera products from 1 megapixel to 13 megapixel, rolling shutter, global shutter. They're all in the same exact form factor, so they're all pin compatible with each other. And then we support all of them with a single driver, which makes interfacing with the camera, integrating the software for the camera, super easy. Really, all you need to do is integrate the driver and write one device tree file to support the camera, and you're done for all of our cameras. It's that simple. So here is our camera with the MIPI CSI connector on the back of it. It's 24.5 by 24.5 millimeters. We have this with an S-mount lens on it. You can easily swap out the lenses, and in fact we have several lens options for every single one of our image sensors that we're selling, anywhere from 2 to 4 lens options depending on the image sensor. So that is the camera module. And one thing I wanted to mention is that we support many different SoC vendors, many different hardware platforms. So you can see up here on the backdrop what we can support. So we have NXP platforms, we have Renesas platforms, we have Intel and Raspberry Pi and ST, BeagleBoard, TI, and NVIDIA, of course. So with all these platforms, again, we have support with one driver. That driver is freely available on our GitHub site at github.com/technexion-vision. That's github.com/technexion-vision for our camera drivers. We have Yocto metadata layers and all the rest of that stuff also available on github.com/technexion. So we support all these platforms. Well, how do we support that? Well, we have a number of development kits that we have available to support a number of platforms like this. So if you're using Raspberry Pi, of course this will plug into a Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi 15-pin FPC adapter here. This is just the board that we put on the back of our sensor that adapts the connectors. So you can plug this straight into Raspberry Pi, but there are also many other development kits from other SoC vendors that have the 15-pin Raspberry Pi connector. So this makes it super easy to integrate with any of those kits. So we have this for 15-pin Raspberry Pi. We also have it for a 22-pin Raspberry Pi connector. So most of the new Raspberry Pis are using this connector. The main difference between this one and the 15-pin is that this one supports more MIPI data lanes. So it supports up to 4 MIPI CSI data lanes, and that one only supports 2. So this is the 22-pin Raspberry Pi. If you're using an NXP development kit, we have this for the NXP development kits using their mini SAS connector that they have. Again, my name is John Weber. Thank you very much for watching.